Traditional SaaS businesses are facing unexpected threat, and it's not another competitor. It's artificial intelligence. AI is not just enhancing software, it's rewriting the rules of the entire SaaS business model. In this video, we'll explore exactly how AI is breaking SaaS, why companies need to adapt, and what the future holds. First, let's quickly reshape how traditional SaaS works. Companies charge monthly or yearly subscription, offering software hosted on their cloud. Revenue depends on recurring subscription and customer lock-in. The more integrated the software is in your workflow, the harder it is to leave. Now here where AI comes in and why SaaS companies are starting to feel the pressure. Reduce switching cost. AI tools can integrate seamlessly with your workflow, replacing multiple software subscription. Imagine an AI assistant that updates your CRM, schedules meetings, and drafts email all in one. AI companies multiple features into a single tool. Instead of paying for separate analytics, reporting, and automation tools, one AI platform can do it all. Faster product development. AI accelerated prototyping and product feature. What used to take months to build can now be done in days. Threat to revenge models. Traditional SaaS relies on restoring revenge. AI tools often offer a freemium or pay-per-use models, disrupting predictable cash flow. AI empowers startups to compete with the established SaaS companies. Specialized software is no longer a barrier. Anyone with AI can replicate features quickly. Let's look at some real-world example. Notion AI and Jasper. AI writing and planning tools replacing multiple SaaS apps for content creation and productivity. GitHub Copilot replaces the need for multiple IDEs or coding automation SaaS. So what next of SaaS? Companies will have to adapt. Risks becoming obsolete. Here, what we predict shift from future-based subscription to outcome-based pricing. AI first SaaS platform dominate the market. Traditional SaaS will integrate AI. Is losing relevance. Small startups can now disrupt gained with AI efficiency. AI is not the future, it's happening now. It's breaking the SaaS business model, unbuilding futures, reducing lock-in, and creating new opportunities. What SaaS app do you think AI will replace next? Comment below. CTA. Like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe for more teaching side Hit the bell icon to stay updates with the AI trend.